Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Grateful Trekker. Today we are in North Carolina near Asheville, and we are going to be doing the trail of the North Carolina Arboretum. So let's go check it out. So we are actually going to go and check out Bent Creek Road. Beautiful azaleas. This is the last one that's still blooming on this part of the trail. So we're on a section of it that kind of offshoots off the main trail we're on. That is an azalea garden. I just got done talking to somebody and they said that the only azaleas that are still blooming are the ones I just filmed. But this is the entrance to the azalea garden. It's a half-mile loop going off of the Bent Creek Road trail, and it goes around like that. So I'm not going to do it. I'm going to head back to Bent Creek. So we just hopped off of Bent Creek Road to hit a real trail, and this is called Creekside Trail because it's Creekside. So we're back here at the map, and this is where we started. We came here, we followed the road to here. We started the Creekside Trail and found a nice spot to relax. This goes up to the lake, which is 2 miles in and out. But there's an intersecting trail that takes us to the gardens and has a loop trail that goes back to where we're parked, which is what I think we're going to do. And we're going to go check out the gardens. So we are up here at the garden area, and we're about to go check out the facilities down here and go check out Willow Pond and just kind of explore this area. It's really pretty. So here's the amphitheater. Pretty neat. Oh, it's starting to get hot out. Heading up the stairs to go see what's up here. This place is gorgeous. Alright, so we're inside the main gift shop of the Arboretum, and my wife and our friends are perusing right now. I wanted to kind of cruise around and check out this building. It's huge, and we're gonna go check out the greenhouse here in a bit. But they have a bunch of different exhibits. It's middle of July in the south, so it's pretty hot, so it's kind of nice to come in the air conditioning for a bit. But we'll be heading back out soon. So this is a functioning one. Plant sale. And the sign out there says, please grab a box to take your plant. So it's a functioning greenhouse. Pretty warm and humid in here. Really nice. Smells wonderful in here. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Really cool in here. Thank you. So we are taking the Wesley Branch Trail to loop back into the Bent Creek Trail from the Arboretum, and then back to the gatehouse to our car. So far, this is my favorite section of trail that we've done today. It's gorgeous, the smells, the summer air, blooming flowers. It is a really cool area. You should go check this out. Well, everybody, if you're still watching, congratulations. You are officially at the end of the video. This was the North Carolina Arboretum, and it is gorgeous, and you should come check it out here in Asheville, North Carolina. Have a grateful day.